Weather from where you live.
Well, check out all the warnings issued tonight. These orange boxes, those are severe thunderstorm warnings. The red, those are tornado warnings. We've kind of been in a hole here where we haven't had warnings issued, but it's been a very violent night in Illinois. In fact, one significant large wedge tornado with a lot of damage in the north central part of the state. Right now, kind of a broken line of storms from near Chicago all the way back through southwest Indiana. Let's take you in tighter, and there are two areas to watch. One is down here near the Terre Haute area. There's a little bow there, and a lot of times what happens with these little bows that you get is they eventually start to fan outwards. So it's not out of the question that this little bow down here could fan out and eventually affect the southern part of Montgomery County. It's had a history of damaging winds. You can see some of the wind data down here. Some of these gusts down in that part of the state are running up around 70 miles an hour. There's a gust of 67. There's a gust around 60 miles an hour and a gust of 45. So be aware down in Montgomery County for that, perhaps here over the next hour, hour and a half. The other storm of significance has weakened. It was over here just to the west of Kentland with billiard ball sized hail and the wind up to 58 miles an hour. But now all it's going to do is perhaps produce a little bit of pea sized hail north of Kentland and as it moves up towards the Mount Ayr area. But notice how other cells are kind of forming behind it. So even though we don't have any warnings in the area now and just some light rain around Attica, as we get into the overnight hours, the upper level winds will be strong. The low level winds will be strong too. So I still can't rule out at least some severe weather in the area, wind, hail, perhaps even a tornado or two as these storms come through and this cold front works through the area. Been watching some lightning on a Renaissance cam from that storm a little bit earlier over in Illinois. That's up towards Kentland right now. It's a warm night. We're in the upper 60s to low 70s, 71 Lafayette, 73 Attica, 71 at Monticello. So don't let your guard down for the overnight hours. I think the threat may be with us since these are moving so slow up to about 3 a.m. Notice on our high-res Futurecast product here, Precision Futurecast product, it tries to get everything out of here by 2. That may be a little quickly. All the models today have been very fast getting these storms in and out. Obviously, they're moving very slowly, so still some scattered storms around and some severe weather threat around at 2 o'clock in the morning up to about 3. Then they get out of here, and there could be a lingering spotty shower early tomorrow morning with clouds. And the clouds break up, move out, and mostly sunny tomorrow afternoon, but a lot of wind, strong west winds up to 40 miles an hour. Winds calm down tomorrow night. A few clouds in the evening will give way to patchy frost by early Saturday morning. And Saturday itself looks good, mostly sunny, low 60s. And Sunday, despite increasing clouds, will be even warmer. They're the highs tomorrow, 49 in the morning, 62 at 5 p.m. And finally, high Saturday, mostly sunny skies, not as breezy or windy, 35 in the morning and still a nice day, a high of 62 degrees. 67 Sunday, 73 Monday, active next week. Showers, storms, some severe weather, some heavy rain too, and temperatures in the 70s to right around 80 degrees. So again, don't let your guard down for the overnight. We're still going to have some storms around, and we cannot take the scattered severe threat out of the forecast due to that shear and the stronger winds up in the atmosphere with us during the overnight hours.
And that was some good advice. Don't let your guard down during those overnight hours.
Yeah, absolutely.
Keep an ear out, probably.
You bet.
All right, thanks, Chad.
Sure.
Rob, you're talking hardwood.
That's right. College basketball season over.